Hi guys, welcome to free digital marketing course training, and this is Chandu. You are watching Digital Chandu channel, and we have successfully completed SEO tutorials guys. If you missed those videos, simply go to YouTube and search digital marketing digital Chandu, and you can get these videos in front of you. Go through those videos and learn more free stuff from Digital Chandu. And tool, and whenever you click and search digital marketing, this is our target keyword here. Now here you can select country wise, and I am in India, so I'm entering here India and click search enter. See, whenever click search enter, it will looks like this format, this interface. And if you are new to this particular Ubersuggest software or tool, first you need to, it will ask you first log in, sign up. After sign up, you need to log in. Whenever you log in, it will show you like this. Whenever a particular keyword looking for keyword research. See, our keyword research target keyword is digital marketing. See, for digital marketing, how in India, how many people are searching? 1,65,000 people are searching, very high search volume. And here it is SEO difficulty means what are the competition outside available outside there in for digital marketing SEO particular keyword. Out of 180%, 58% of competition are there in this particular keyword digital marketing. And this is paid difficulty means who are looking to run Google ads in search engine and other search engines. The competition is 35 out of 100. And here this is the CPC means cost per click. What are the maximum cost per click for digital marketing is 44, approximately 45 rupees. This is the navigation here for highlight. And here you can see the volume in which month the search volumes are happening. And here you can see from April to this March 2019, April to 2020 March. Here you can see the orange is mobile volume, and yellow, light yellow is desktop volume. And here whenever you drop a mouse here, it will show you. Whenever I drop here in February month to 24,007 mobile searches, and 1,76,993 desktop searches. This is the overview of this particular section. And down the line, here you can see 64,298 people clicked on SEO results. This is SEO and this is paid one. This is no clicks, or no one is clicking whenever those people are searching digital marketing keyword. Here you can see search range, age range means 18 to 34, 24, 25 to 34. How, in which range people are looking for this particular keyword. Here you go, and 18 to 24 people are 25%, 25 to 34 age range people are 23%. After then you can see this particular sessions in your desktop whenever you're looking to search particular digital marketing in Ubersuggest. Here is keyword ideas guys. See, in digital marketing, what are the related keywords are digital marketing course, and digital marketing agency, digital marketing company, digital marketing Google course. Everything is showing in front of us with search volumes, CPC, and PD means paid difficulty, SD means SEO difficulty. Here you can see guys SEO difficulty and paid difficulty. For that particular keyword, what are the websites are ranking in Google search, it will show you everything in front of you. First website is didmi.in, and here you can see backlinks. Why? Because we are not upgraded, so because the reason it not showing right information. And here we go, Facebook shares is 41,000, 34,000, 32,000. This is Pinterest, guys. This is the overview of this particular keyword research tool. And here whenever you click on this keyword ideas left side button, here we go for particular keyword. Whenever you click on this particular keyword, this Ubersuggest tool shows you in right side what are the websites are ranking and what are the estimation visits those particular websites are getting in each month, and what are the links those particular website have. And this is DS means domain score, what are the score for that particular domain have, and social shares. Whenever you click on this particular digital marketing course, here the websites are changing. See, the learn digital marketing with Google is coming now. How many estimated set visits can get Google means 18,391 per month, and everything you can see here. And you can download this particular keywords and everything to your desktop whenever you click on this particular button. If you are looking to copy everything about these particular keywords, just copy to clipboard and paste it in your Excel sheet. This is the process, guys. And one more thing I would like to tell you here, whenever click on this particular related button, there are more options available here, and people are looking for this particular keywords also, related keywords. And questions means for this particular digital marketing, how people are asking questions in Google and looking for questions in Google, why digital marketing is important and is digital marketing important. Here you can see, guys, you need to select this type of keywords for blogging. This is very useful for blogging, guys. Why? Because here you can see SEO difficulty is only 7 out of 100, 6 out of 100, but search volumes is 1900, 2000. Whenever you do SEO for this particular keyword, within 1 month or 2 months, definitely you people get 2000 and at least 1000 traffic to our website, traffic to our particular URL. And prepositions, here whenever click on digital marketing near me, is digital marketing the future, and this type of questions available here with complete stats. And comparisons means digital marketing comparing with other course or other related particular keyword. Digital marketing was traditional marketing, 1300 search volume, only 6% SEO difficulty for this particular keyword. This is the overview of this particular Ubersuggest for keyword research only, guys. There are so many tools, so many options available here. Whenever the topic we are going to discuss, at that time I am going to show you everything here. Hope this video helpful to you guys. Hit the like button and let me know in comment box how was the video, how it is useful to your business or your SEO, whatever you are doing. And subscribe me for more digital marketing tips and tricks like this type of practical scenarios. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.